Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I got at CVS for the week. I feel like the more I shop at CVS, the better my coupons are getting. I don't know if y'all have had that experience, but I recently got back into CVS shopping. I don't know, maybe since y'all have seen me doing the videos, but I feel like my coupons are getting better and better. But this week is especially fun because I have partnered up with Kristen Mitch Saves. We met, goodness, I think like a year and a half ago, just through YouTube, and we've been supporting each other ever since. And so I had reached out to her and asked if she would want to partner up and see who could score the best deals at CVS for the week. So if you haven't checked out her channel, I will link it for you down below. She is a Marine veteran. My brother was a Marine, and he always said once a Marine, always a Marine. But I asked her, and she said she's a Marine vet. She is in college, which I think is just crazy impressive that she's doing all of this while in school, and she has a little boy. So definitely check out her channel if you have not already. The last thing I want to mention before I tell you about the deals, I have recently done a tutorial on the Miles app, and I am doing a giveaway. There are going to be 3 winners for a $100 Amazon gift card. So get yourself entered. You have to get entered by this Tuesday. I will be announcing the winner on Wednesday in my Walmart video. Okay, let's talk about these deals. Everything you see here, I got almost completely free. I think it was just short of free, which is amazing. So I'm going to walk you through each of these deals. One clearance find that I wanted to mention, I'm still finding these cleaning wipes, the Juniper surface wipes. These were $4.99 originally, marked down to just 49 cents. So check your store. They were not marked in my store, which is probably why there's still some left. And if you live in my area, there are still some left at our CVS. Just 49 cents. So awesome deal there. Let's start with the freebie. The Baby Ruth. I mentioned this in my Walgreens video that I did earlier today. But at CVS, it's an even better deal. So at CVS, the Baby Ruths are 2 for $2. Swagbucks currently has an offer for $2 back on 2, making them both completely free. Now, if you don't use Swagbucks, I do have a complete tutorial on that app that can help you figure that out. You can find it if you just in YouTube put Saving with Christina Swagbucks tutorial, you'll get there. More food. So this is a freebie here. The Gold Emblem Extreme Fireballs. So I had a CRT or just a CVS coupon in my digital coupons for $1 off any Gold Emblem Extreme product. This was only $1, so it made it completely free. Now, another great deal that I want to tell you about that I'm really bummed out my store did not have because it's a fantastic deal. The Gold Emblem coffee, but specifically for my coupons, it was the K-Cups. They are on sale 2 for $8. Now, I had 2 different coupons. I had a $3 off 2 Gold Emblem K-Cups, and I had a $2 off an $8 Gold Emblem coffee purchase. So that would have taken $5 off my $8 total, leaving me to pay $3 total, or just $1.50 per box of K-Cup. So a fantastic deal. I just could not find them in my store. I found 1 box, but I needed 2 to be able to use the coupons. So that's why you don't see them here. Another simple deal was on this OptiFree. This is on sale this week for $9.99. When you buy this, you're gonna get $3 in extra care bucks back, but check your digital coupons because I had a $3 manufacturer coupon as well as a $3 off any $10 eye care purchase. So I paid $3.99. I got $3 in extra care bucks back, making this just 99 cents. So that's 90% off the sale price. Awesome deal. Also check your coupons. I grabbed these floss picks. These were the cheapest ones I could find at $2.89. I had a CVS digital coupon for $2 off any floss pick, CVS brand. So that made this package just 89 cents. Now, I have no idea. I'm sure it's not Sorm, which is how I would pronounce it. It's probably some like Sorme. It's like fancy or something, but I am not fancy if you have not picked up on that. I had a CRT or a CVS digital coupon for $5 off any of their cosmetic products. So I scanned these eye pencil sharpeners to see if they qualified for that coupon, and they did. These were only $3.99, but that $5 coupon was attaching. But it gets even better. All of their products are buy one, get one free. So I bought one at $3.99. I got one free. My $5 CVS coupon came off. It auto adjusted down to that $3.99, leaving me to pay nothing for both of these. So 2 little freebies there. The U by Kotex, these products are buy 2, get $2 in extra care bucks back. So I grabbed the cheapest ones I could find at my store. Mine was $1.89. They're buy one, get one half off. So one ring $1.89, the other ring 94 cents. So I paid $2.83. I got back $2 in extra care bucks back, leaving me to pay just 83 cents total, or 41.5 cents each. Now, someone mentioned last week that my store was more expensive than their store. So you might be able to snag some of these products at a little bit lower price point than what my store is charging. The only thing you want to keep a look out for is when I do like a deal where we have to hit a spend limit. Like these razors are spend 25, get 10. So if my products are more expensive, you might have to do it just a little bit differently to make sure you still get to that spending threshold. So let's talk about the razor deal. It was spend 25, get $10 in extra care bucks back, and it was Schick, Edge, and Bulldog products. So what I decided to do is I grabbed one of the Schick razors at $12.49. This is the Hydro Ultimate Comfort, $12.49. And then I grabbed these little pivot ones at $9.49. So that got me almost to the $25 I had to spend. So I grabbed this Edge Shave Gel. This is $3.89. Now, I had a $4 digital coupon for the Schick razor. I had a $4 printable coupon that I had printed from coupons.com. I am not sure if that coupon is there anymore, but I still had it from when I printed it. Always print those high value coupons and just hold on to them. I have a link for where you can print a bunch of good coupons down in the video description box. I also had a $5 off a $20 Shave CVS coupon and a $2 off any Edge Shave Gel coupon. So I paid $10.87. I got back $10 for spending $25. And then this Edge Shave Gel was also on Ibotta for $1 back, leaving me to pay just nothing and getting back 13 cents as a moneymaker on this deal. If you're new to Ibotta, grab it using my referral code because you're going to get an additional $10 when you scan your first receipt. Now let's talk about the silhouettes. I'm a little bit nervous. You know how I said with CVS, the more you shop, the more coupons you get. Well, they're supposed to be tailored to your shopping behavior. So now I'm worried that I'm going to start getting like a lot of adult incontinence product, CRTs, which will cause me to buy more because I have the coupons, and then I'm just going to keep getting, so it's just going to be this cycle. I just hope it's not foreshadowing that I'm going to need these products. These are $14.49. Okay, this is a big pack. $14.49. I had a coupon for $2 off. That was just a digital coupon. Then I had a digital coupon for $4 off a $10 adult care purchase. So I paid $8.49 at the register. But there is a Shopkick offer. When you scan this and you purchase it, you are going to get $8.46 back on Shopkick. I also had a $4 offer on Fetch Rewards, which meant I got this completely free and a $3.97 moneymaker. Now you know why I bought it, and it's a great donation item if you don't need it. One thing to know though, these are also on promotion 2 for $28, buy 2, get $2 in extra care bucks back. So if this is a product that you need and use, you might want to snag 2 of them, because then you're going to get $2 in extra care bucks back. But wait for your Shopkick offer to reset. That way you can do the deal again. So my Shopkick offer processed super quickly. I got that $8.46 back. So I could go and buy a second one of these for that $14.49. And get the $8.46 back again. The Fetch Reward offer, I believe, was a limit of 1, so I wouldn't get the $4 back. But again, if that's a product that you use and you're buying often, that's a fantastic price. If you're not using Shopkick already, I do have a special referral code here that will get you an additional $5 when you scan your first receipt. Also, if you're not using Fetch, you can use my referral code to snag an additional $2 back on that one. And I have full tutorials on both of those apps. If you have no idea how to use them, check out those tutorials, because that will walk you through step by step how to use those apps. Okay, last deal, and this one got kind of messed up. So my store is really bad about having things tagged. Like the entire week, I don't really know what's on sale, what's part of the promotion, what's not. And so I asked about these Neutrogena eye makeup removers. I said, hey, are these part of the buy 2, get $6 in extra care bucks? And this sweet little teenage guy was like, I think so. I'm like, I'm pretty sure you can scan it and it will tell you, like, if it's, but I wasn't gonna, offer suggestions. He just said, I think it is. If it's not, for some reason, if the $6 doesn't print, I'll print it for you. It's like, okay, let's try it out. So these are priced at $7.49 each. I bought 2 of them because I wanted the $6 in extra care bucks back. I had a $4 digital off of Neutrogena Cosmetics, which applied to these. I also had a $3 off a $10 Neutrogena purchase that applied to these as well. So I paid $7.98. That $6 did not print, but he did force print it. So I ended up paying $1.98 for both of them, or just 99 cents each. But if you're going to do this, I can't promise you your store will force print it, because clearly it wasn't supposed to be part of the deal. I believe the 21 count makeup wipes, that's what I normally get when I do a deal like this. They were just a hair more expensive. I think they were $7.79 instead of $7.49. But that one should print that $6 extra care buck back for you. So I think that was everything that I got. When I added everything together, like I said, I want to say it was just over free. So less than $1 for all of these items, which is a fantastic price. If y'all have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them down below. And I hope y'all have a fantastic week. Thanks.